No, before. You can't do your video and stop. Watch my phone. Ready? You first. 3, 2, 1.
I
Oh, I know people video. Yeah, we expect that. Go.
What's up, 876 Central family? Yeah, like my channel, what they here with?
RK Squad.
RK Squad is to the face. You know, so the one and only Rushell.
You know, say that keke.
And we have.
Yup.
What should I be able to like say?
Yeah,
A full video.
don't worry guys. Them used to talk, but today's me. So yeah guys, today we're going to be doing
The Chubby Bunny. Say it.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
So guys, we're gonna be stuffing some whole heap of marshmallow in our mouth. Just for entertainment. Just that. So let's get into it.
Is it? Doing the
Chubby
Bunny.
challenge. Yep. Yeah, can't catch it over this too.
makes sense.
Alright guys, so we have the marshmallow. Then we look over this too.
So guys, we have the marshmallow here. We are gonna put them in a them mouth here. Yeah. Oh, this did guys. So
Alright, so you basically are gonna put one marshmallow in your mouth at a time
yeah.
and say the words Chubby Bunny. Yes guys.
However, do it until we can
Can't
pronounce it no more.
Right, so whoever can't say it is eliminated from the game.
We never swallow it.
You cannot chew, you cannot swallow. Do not chew and do not swallow. Guys, from time to time you're going to see me look so and so is a collab. Yeah. Alright? So we're gonna open the marshmallow and we're gonna do this before rain come. Come.
Yeah.
A mash. Don't sorry. Just right wing fork. Yeah. First. Don't make it break. You're about to let it break. Okay. Feel like I need to go back one. Go 5. 4. This is 5. You wanna go 6? You sure?
Sure.
2 in a one corner, 2 in a one corner, 2 down the middle. Listen, that is 6.
Alright, one more.
We're hoping that Keke is the first one out. We're hoping. That's a half a marshmallow. That doggy. That no gay.
What do you stick out, her?
Yeah, no more than them come out. Guys,
Alright, let's just do what I've already done.
yeah.
So you can take back your extra piece. So you did that. Alright, hold up plate Keke.
Okay guys, so we have 5 marshmallows
So first.
each. So we're gonna, stuff them in our mouth and we're gonna say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Alright, so who first? Rock, paper, scissors. Can you know we don't do that something else, so? 3. You want to hold it? Put it down. You want to use one hand? Up. 3, 2, 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Me not see. And me win. Me win. So the 2 want to know and see who actually
Come
go.
Kiki.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Alright, Kiki, are you first? You first, Kiki. 3, 2, 1, go. 1. Then say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
If you're in your mouth and don't throw it. Use your finger, push it to one corner. Say Chubby Bunny. They can't hear you. Say Chubby Bunny
Chubby
here.
Bunny.
And say it
Chubby
there. Right, your turn.
Chubby Bunny.
Make sure a bunny answer.
Chubby Bunny.
Alright. My turn, guys.
The smaller one.
That me
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. Your turn. Don't shoot. There.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Hey, what's the pity them who have the big cheat there? My turn. I know I'm not lose today. Many touch faster. don't chew, guys. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
No, Rushell, where you have put the marshmallow in?
In my mouth. Your turn.
Come keke.
She got skin. Come. Watch out. Never have choke on me. Listen. Don't even think about gagging today. Come.
Chubby Bunny.
There too.
Chubby Bunny.
Don't chew.
Oh, God. Chubby Bunny.
Me not hear that. Me not hear that.
Chubby
Watch out, chew.
Bunny.
My turn. Yeah? Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
No, Rushell.
Oh, we have quite a melt in our mouth and this don't taste good. Come. Watch out that. You lose? Are you ready to go again? Go. We're gonna get that. But no scowl no more. Your turn.
Chubby Bunny.
Louder. Go. I'm still talking normal, people. Alright, so I have two. I'm gonna use the biggest one. This one. Come and show them to me. I go win today. Chubby Bunny. Reckon me see a dash for something, you know. Chubby Bunny. Shut here. Go on now. Too wicked. Go on. Me not yet. Move on. Girl, have to move. Guys, Kiki's out. Get up and go. She's out, guys. Go that way. So, it is between me and the island girl. Let's see who from what bigger. Me not here. What? What you say? Say it again. Yeah, space in my mouth. This look like you know I miss their front teeth today. Guys, if me put my one in my mouth, I want to hear me clearly. Win me. Them now win today. None at all. Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny. I'm the winner.
Rushell, take it over place in your mouth.
Very small, but it's white.
No,
What do I next one?
You want the chubby bunny again?
Guys, I don't know which part Rushell put all of them there a while ago.
That is sweetness overload, guys.
Yeah, the
That one that should just go so.
I like, you know, when you have them dressed to them shirt dress and have an extra pocket when nobody no know, and that Rushell do the marshmallow them a while ago.
Yeah, the trick is to stuff it to your corner of your mouth and use your finger to fold it. Right, I'm not so light, so when you basically squish it together, it's staying there.
So guys, Rushell was the winner of.
When I win? No.
Guys, run over to our channel and ensure say run up our subscribe account, watch the videos and comment.
Yes, guys. So guys, this is the ending of the video. Oh, win me.
Yeah, guys, that's true.
I mean, you and them daddy. I don't
We-
like who no.
We vex.
Me don't like
Keke
them.
vex. I don't know what you put all them there a while ago, but we vex.
Out of everybody mouth. I've got the tiny mouth. Look at that.
I think you have the smallest mouth. So yeah, guys, don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button. May I beg you again, run over to RK Squad. Their name is Time with Rushell, you know, featuring Kiki. Guys, remember to run over and show them some love and support. Until next time, peace. Bye.